CS5PRO installation reference video. This is CS5PRO main unit. The body is very textured with good cable material. Wired controller, used for host operation. Rearview mirror bracket, designed specifically for the main unit.
Front and rear cameras with extension cables. F 1 米3.2 FT， 2米6.5 FT。
GPS module. Power cable, connected to motorcycle battery use. Camera bracket accessories. Wired controller bracket accessories. Cable clip. Sun visor, block the reflection of the sun. Front and rear tire pressure sensors and tire pressure sensors accessories. Protective film. Screwdriver. Cable tie. USB test cable. Install the memory card of host. Unscrew the TF card slot of the base with a screwdriver. Please pay attention to the direction of the card slot to prevent incorrect installation. Put the lid back on. Place the Z-shaped bracket on the position of the rearview mirror. Install the rearview mirror back in its original way. Loosen the bracket and insert it into the Z-shaped bracket. Tighten the screw with a wrench. Loosen the bracket and connect it to the spherical bracket. Connect the hose to the bracket. Use the wrench to tighten the bracket. The bracket can adjust the angle freely. Tighten the bracket again with a wrench. Loosen the bracket, remove the screws and nuts. Put the gasket onto the motorcycle handlebar. Install the bracket onto it. Install the screws. Loosen the bracket. Connect the bracket to the spherical bracket. Then connect the hose to the bracket. Use the wrench to tighten the bracket. The bracket can adjust the angle freely. Tighten the bracket again with a wrench. Wired controller bracket installation. Compare the bracket on the handlebar and select the appropriate gasket. Insert the screws into the two ends of the wire controller bracket and tighten them securely. After tightening, shake it to confirm if it is stable. After installation, connect it to the host. Install the shock-absorbing rubber ring onto the camera. Then install the circular bracket onto it. Place the gasket into the base. Insert the metal gasket into the screw. Then insert the screw into the bracket base to fix the bracket. After installing the nut, tighten and secure with a wrench. After installing the bracket, the adhesive tape can be fixed at the bottom of the bracket first. Find a suitable installation position in front of the motorcycle for wiping and then stick the bracket. Then start arranging the cable. Disassemble or use extension cable according to the requirements of the vehicle body. Find the port on the host labeled with the front camera and connect it. The rear camera is also installed in the same way. Then arrange the cable and unscrew the corresponding screws according to the vehicle model. Thread the cable through the body of the vehicle for wiring installation. Install extension cable as required. Find the green port to connect it. Open the motorcycle pad and prepare to install the power cable. Connect the black wire of the multimeter to the negative pole of the battery and plug the red wire into the ACC power port for testing. Find where the ACC wire needs to be connected. Turn the motorcycle key to turn on the power. The voltage displayed on the multimeter indicates that this may be the ACC power we are looking for. Turn the key to turn off the power, the voltage becomes 0 and the location of the ACC is determined. Then start installing the power cable. Connect the red wire of the power cable to the positive pole of the motorcycle battery. The black wire is connected to the negative pole of the battery. Tighten the port of the yellow wire. Open the ACC port found. Thread the yellow wire to the port for fixation. After fixing it, restore the port. Tear off the adhesive tape of the power module and stick it in the appropriate position. Turn the key to check if the power module lights up. If it lights up, it indicates that the power cable has been successfully installed. Then arrange the cable according to the vehicle model. After completion, connect the port of the host according to the corresponding color. Before installing GPS, find a suitable location and wipe it clean first. Tear the adhesive tape and paste it to fix it. Then arrange the cable. Install extension cable as required. After completion, connect the port of the host according to the corresponding color. Then use cable ties to secure these cables. After these cables are fixed, the motorcycle can be restored. Long press the OK button to enter the main menu. Select the settings icon. Find the TPMS tire pairing function. Start pairing. Long press the OK button to return to the main menu. Select the video recording icon to return to the video recording interface. Long press the up button to enter the assisted driving interface. After successful pairing, the tire pressures of both the front and rear tires will be displayed normally. First, screw the metal gasket into the tire air outlet. Then install the tire pressure sensor. After installation, use a wrench to tighten the gasket towards the direction close to the tire pressure sensor. Prevent loss of tire pressure sensor. After installation, the tire pressure can be determined through the display screen to see if it is normal. Let's see the effect of the ride. Safely and easily answer incoming calls. Multiple display modes for navigation, writing data, front and rear camera image display, etc. and view reverse mode.